What's up, guys? It is Race here. Or Try. What's it? We're not working on this, today. But I want to, guys, I want to, why did I close that? I want to set up a batch tutorial series. Alright. So, mostly I want to do this because I can pretty much do it pretty easily, alright. But, had to mess with OBS confirmed. Alright, I'm gonna fit it back. There we go. Alright, but, anyway, so I made a batch file. Alright. Now, the first thing, oh god. Forget that I have that open. I'm just gonna open up a bunch of tabs, because I can. There we go. Alright, close. Alright, let me close all that. I'm just messing around now, guys. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to notepad plus .org. I believe that's the link. Yeah, it is. Yeah, once you get here, alright, that's a GIF. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to the big old download button. Okay? And then hit the download button. And then install Notepad++. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do after that is make a batch file. If you don't know how to do it, right click on your desktop, hit new, text document, and then rename the extension to bat like that. Okay. Now, I already have one right here, which I just made. What you want to do is you want to right click on it, do not open it, otherwise you'll say this because there's nothing in it. But if you got Notepad++, you don't need Notepad++, but it makes it a lot easier instead of using regular Notepad. Alright. Once you have it and you open it up, then you can get started with programming. Now guys, this is a basic start to programming, okay? If you're gonna do a programming career, it's best off to start with this, okay? So, first, the absolute first thing you are going to do, unless you are actually like creating something that requires this, which you probably really don't need that, is type in @echo off. Alright. Now that is the absolute first thing you need to do. Alright. Let me explain it. Alright. So, now let's see. Kill yourself. Alright. If you have the command prompt open, it will show your mouse cursor. Oh god. Right clicking. If you have the command prompt open and it'll show where you're at, but it'll also show this behind it. Alright. What you want to do is you don't want that whenever you're programming. So you would type in @echo off, and then let me just clear that. It'll show nothing at all. and you can still do all of your main commands. Alright. So, let's just go back. Alright. That's basically the idea. So, we're going to learn how to print stuff out on the screen. Alright. That is the most basic thing you can learn. It's the command to print out something on the screen. If you try and just do like this, if you try and do that, it'll say hello world is not a recognized command. All you gotta do to print stuff out on the screen is type in echo space and then hello world. Now you want to be able to read this, so you're gonna have to add another line of code which stops everything. Let me actually zoom in here. It'll stop everything. It'll remain on this one bit of code until any key is pressed, and then it will move on. So basically, you can probably guess what it is, but it is pause. Alright, so let's save that, which you can do by pressing this, or pressing the CTRL button plus the S button. And open it. And it says, hello world, press any key to continue. Now, if you don't want the press any key to continue to show up, you can do pause and then greater than null, I believe. I believe that's it. What it is. Yeah. Null basically means invisible. And it'll do hello world, and then, yeah. But for now, we'll just keep it at regular pause. But yeah. So, let's learn about the clear screen command, which you saw me do. Alright. After pause, if I'm printing stuff out on the screen as like a storyline or something, I always type in CLS after pause, which stands for clear screen. So let's do echo off, and then CLS, all of this will go away. Watch. CLS, there you go. So then after that we can print something else again, saying this is my first batch file. And then make sure to pause after it so they can see it again. Unless you're writing multiple lines, you can write another echo so it'll show up on the next line. Pause. Alright. So this is probably one of the most basic batch files. Hello world. This is my first batch file. Now, something I had that I didn't make, which uses all these right here. I downloaded it. It is. Oh, I deleted it, but it uses all of these. This is something we can make. Alright, what is your name? Let's do try. It's gonna be loud. None. You can make something like this. Okay, I've done killed it. But yep, you get the idea. What is this? What the heck is this? Okay, no. Alright, I'm just gonna do that, I guess. I don't really know what just happened. But yeah. So then, oh my god. So then, after that, that uses a bunch of set variables and it uses start variables. And yep. Like, here's one right here on my main channel. I've been working on this. And these are sets, and it's a lot. Alright. Oh god, why did I close that? Anyway, so let me just close that. So the next thing you can do is CLS, then echo goodbye for now, and then pause. All right. Now, if that's all there, if that's all your batch file is, then you don't have to do this. But if there's like more stuff under it and you want this part to exit you out of the thing, then put what's it, exit after it. This is why batch files, they usually don't say exit, they say quit. Because I believe if you put in echo quit, then it'll actually quit the thing. Alright. But like, let's actually test this out. Let's say echo psych. I believe that's how you spell psych. And then pause. And then CLS. And then exit. So, let me show this to you while it's actually running. So it'll say, oh god. It'll say hello world. And then it paused, so everything, it's gonna stay on this until we press whatever it wants us to press. And then it'll run this as fast as possible. See, it ran that fast. It cleared it and then it wrote out that. And then pause. Goodbye for now. So right now it's right here. And then it exits. But if we were to remove that exit, save, then it'll say hello world. This is my first batch file. Goodbye for now. And then psych. And then exit. Now I didn't put a CLS after that, but who cares? Yeah, that's mainly it. So yeah. I don't believe there's anything more that I need to really teach you for now. I'm gonna show you a little teaser of what's gonna be in the next episode, which I'm gonna record tonight. So I'm not gonna talk. I believe you can do plus like that. Oh god. I forgot. I forgot something. God. Damn. Let me do it up here. It's an idea. I haven't really mastered adding and subtracting completely, but we will be going over set commands, printing set commands, and a few other things. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's uh today's batch tutorial. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and I will talk to all of you guys later. Peace out. Yeah. Okay, why am I doing this? Bye. Oh god. What is... Alright. Bye.